In March 2020, the BC government amended the Employment Standards Act to allow employees to take job-protected COVID-19 related leave. I'm Rebecca Jackson, a lawyer at Labour Rights Law. In this video, I talk about the BC government's recent amendment to the Employment Standards Act to allow employees to take up to 3 hours off work with pay to get the COVID-19 vaccine. This recent amendment to the law means that if an employee needs to take time off work to attend an appointment for the COVID-19 vaccination, they will not lose pay. This law takes effect retroactively on the 19th of April 2021. BC's Minister of Labour announced that this paid leave will ensure that no one will have to choose between losing pay and getting their doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. A full-time or part-time employee, regardless of their length of service, may request to take paid leave for up to 3 hours to be vaccinated against COVID-19 pursuant to Section 52.13 of the Employment Standards Act. An employee may request up to 3 hours of paid leave for each dose of the vaccine. The employer may request reasonably sufficient proof of the employee's entitlement to the COVID-19 vaccination leave. However, an employer must not request, and an employee is not required to provide a note from a medical practitioner, nurse practitioner, or registered nurse for the purposes of a request for the COVID-19 vaccination leave. For example, if an employee is away from work for 2.5 hours to receive their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, the employer must pay the employee their average hourly wage for those 2.5 hours. Unpaid, job-protected leave pursuant to Section 52.12 of the Employment Standards Act remains in place to supplement the new paid time off. An employee may take unpaid leave to accompany dependent family members to get vaccinated, or if an employee needs more than 3 hours of paid leave to travel to their vaccine appointment. Please do not hesitate to contact a lawyer regarding a job-protected COVID-19 related leave under the Employment Standards Act. For more information about BC's vaccination plan, please review BC's COVID-19 immunization plan. For information about the vaccination itself, we encourage you to speak with your healthcare providers.